Hi everyone, it's Tim here from Top Music, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play Above and Beyond's Sink the Lighthouse. Really cool song, really piano based, and very cool chord progression. So here are the chords that you need to know. Firstly, we're in E flat minor. Now don't let the key signature freak you out because it's actually pretty playable and the right hand doesn't change too much. So here's your first chord. It's an E flat 5, so no third in the chord. Then we move the left hand up for our second chord. Our third chord is this one. And our fourth chord is an E flat major chord with a G in the left hand. Now there's 4 more chords to learn. Let me clear the screen. Your next chord is an A flat minor chord. It's this one. We then go to C flat 7. We're then in F flat. A bit of a weird chord. And we finally finish with E flat minor, back where we started. So they're the 4 chords that you'll need, sorry, the 8 chords that you'll need to learn to be able to play this piece. Now, the right hand arpeggiates, and it's got that pattern all the way through while the left hand changes. So here's how it would sound if I play it as it goes in the song. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an overview of how it works. Now the right hand just is arpeggiating upwards in that pattern. It only really changes when we hit the second block of 4 chords, so the 5th chord. So let's just go through it again. We've got the right hand arpeggiating and just repeating that as the left hand moves up to the F and the left hand moves up to the G flat. And then the left hand moves up to the G, which gives us our major sound. Now here's where the right hand changes. I'm just going to change the B flat to a B natural, which is part of our A flat minor chord. So we've got that sound. Then to C flat, and I've gone back to the first pattern in the right hand. For your F minor, we want to play the A flat, which gives us an F minor sound. Sorry, F flat minor. And then to E flat 5 again. So that's all the chords you need. The only time that pattern changes is just before the chorus, when it heads to the C flat first, then to the D flat, to the G flat, so it's just a slight change of order from the beginning, but the chord pattern and the chord symbols are exactly the same. So let's just run through them. We've got E flat 5, E flat 5 with an F in the left hand. We've got E flat minor with a G flat. We've got E flat major with a G natural. Then we've got A flat minor. Then we head to C flat 7. And then this one, we've got F flat with a major 7. And I think I said minor before, F flat major 7. And then back to the E flat. And the great thing with this is because this is such a rich, warm chord progression, even though it's major and minor, because it's in that E flat key, it's just so warm and kind of enveloping. You can play this, you don't have to play it exactly as written or in the original recording. You could just choose to play feel free to arpeggiate up and down the piano, feel free to just play the chords. I just love the progression. I think it's really, really good fun to play. So try it out. This is the original key, so you can play this along to the recording and really enjoy it. I try and sing it, but it's not going to sound so good. So I'll leave that to you guys. And I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions, and feel free to leave a comment below. See you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, then please make sure you click to subscribe. And if you're a music teacher looking for help with any aspect of your teaching, studio, or business, then make sure you check out TopMusicPro.com for all our membership details.